1、安心して着替えられる場所。Our van doesn't have a curtain, so there's no privacy. So how are you gonna change your clothes?
Close the door.
Close the door? この下のこの一角だけは壁に囲われているので一番プライベートな場所です。I don't want to see your underwear. So this spot is kind of privacy spot. Kind of. Yes! Done.
Great.
2自分たちだけのトイレ。Good morning, sir. We're gonna go poop. Let's go. This is the best washroom in Whistler.
No, apparently this gas station washroom in Canada.
Oh, in Canada. Oh. Nice cafeteria. Bye bye. いい感じですね。綺麗ですね。失礼します。3、お風呂の中のゆっくりした時間。今日はバイクライドの後なのでシャワーに来ています。今いるところはペンバートン、そこのコミュニティセンターにあるシャワーを浴びていきたいと思います。ああ、いい湯だった。Your turn?
Yeah. Yeah, it's my turn. So how did you clean your body?
So I forgot my washing cloth.
Yeah.
So I used my dirty sock.
And you just put soap on?
You put the soap and just washing your socks.
I like your tip. I'm gonna do the same thing.
Great! 4. 気兼ねなく使える水。
Like the sound you make.
Can make.
Not as good as you.
Do it. No! 5. 使い勝手のいい洗濯機。Laundry time! Ooh. So last time I came here, I had a really bad experience. Laundry machine didn't work well. Every clothes is soaking wet.
You were really angry that day.
Oh, and then we just washed our laundry in the river, so.
今夜の10時で川辺で洗濯してます。
But then I came. I'm like, oh, it was good. It was fine.
So this is the first time I came back to here. That's the laundry spot. Eric's idea.
Yeah.
It's the kind of below the bed, and it's open up. This is bed space here, so he made it the laundry space. What do you think? Is that a good idea?
I think it's not bad. It's still not quite ready yet, but
No. So laundry place is just behind this building, underground. Oh, you put everything in?
yeah, I think it's okay.
Wow. Oh, you put in there?
Where do you put it?
Here.
Oh, here? Maybe that's your problem too.
Oh yeah? Oh, you don't put. You just put it in there?
I always do that, yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay.
Are we really this excited about laundry?
Oh yeah. Let's see how the laundry is gonna be done. I'm so excited. Let's go. Is it wet? Oh, yeah. Okay, it's good. Okay. It worked well. It's not much excitement. Is it dry?
Yeah, it's dry.
Mission complete. This is my clothing space here, and that's his clothing there. Ooh, you have a lot of socks. So, I fold my clothes. You throw away your clothes.
Yeah, there's no reason to fold it.
I don't know why we're together.
Why?
We're so different.
Really?
Yes. Oh, I fold my clothes, honey.
That's the biggest difference. It's a good thing I have my own space for clothes then.
Yes.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Okay, what happened now?
We had a little problem with the sink. We turned it on to wash our dishes.
It came off,
Came right off.
and we are so like
And the water was spraying out like this and like all over. So I quickly turned it off. But...
Maybe because we always go like this.
Well, that's the design.
I know.
It's designed to do that.
I know. Don't get upset.ちょっと下がってきてます。ちょっと擦れてきてます。ちょっと割れてきてます。ちょっと割れてきてます。ちょっとたるんできてます。When we are still living in the house, we never eat meal together. So in the morning, he just eats cereal, mini wheats. I cook myself, but we don't wake up at the same time.
Yeah, I would go to work earlier than you.
Yeah. Rick is always making lunchbox, which is really good. He makes himself.
Yeah, of course.
Dinner, so I come home late. So he's hungry after work, so he just eats 2 English muffins every day for dinner. And that's it.
Yeah, a lot of days I work. Not every day though.
So van life, it's good because we always cook together, eat together. It makes us closer, I guess. Sometimes it's too close and we got fight, but it's the van life.おはようございます。これからハイキングに行ってきます。ということで荷物チェックです。ウェジモントレイクに行ってきます。